Welcome to MITCHFIT. My name is Mitch, and today we'll be doing a routine for those of you who are working at home a lot, working on the computer a lot, and need to get the body moving. This is a very simple routine, simple exercises. Shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes. All you'll need is your Swiffer or broomstick. Let's get into it. The first exercise we're going to do are shoulder dislocations. For this, we'll need the Swiffer or broomstick. This is the only exercise we'll need this. You'll grab the broomstick, double shoulder width, and for your feet, you can just have them hip width. You just want to make sure to keep your balance. You want to start in the front. You're going to go up, overhead, keeping just a slight bend in the elbows, going all the way down to the lower back, back, up and over. So you don't want to bend the arms in the movement. That'll take away from the movement. This is great for shoulder strength, shoulder mobility, and for posture. We're going to do one set, 15 repetitions up to 30. We'll just do 15 repetitions in this video. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm just going to show from a side view. Make sure to keep the head neutral. 9. Make sure to keep a nice straight lower back. You don't want to arch it. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. Nice work. To increment, make it a little bit more difficult, do more repetitions, and then after that you can slowly move your hands together. Go on to the next exercise. The next exercise is a wall slide, so just be needing your wall. For this, you can either have a step away from the wall, which will make it a little bit easier, or you can have your heels against the wall, and that'll make it a little more difficult. You want to make sure to have your butt, lower back against the wall, upper back, head, elbows, and hands. Really making sure to keep your stomach tight, your core tight, in order to keep that lower back into the wall. You're going to start with the elbows slightly below shoulder level, extending straight up and down for 1 repetition. Great exercise for posture, working on the middle trapezius, good for shoulder mobility as well. We're going to do just 1 set, and we're going to do 10 repetitions, but you can do 8 repetitions if it's a little difficult, up to 15. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. On to the next exercise. The next exercise we're going to do is the glute bridge. For this, you're going to be on your back, feet flat on the floor, knees bent about 90 degrees. You can have your palms facing up, better positioning for your shoulders. For this, you're going to push through your heels, lifting your butt up into a nice straight line through your body, feeling it in your butt, a little bit in the hamstrings. We can do it with both legs. You can do 10 up to 20 repetitions, or you can do it with a single leg, having one leg bent 90 degrees, pushing through that heel, lifting up into that straight line, and you can do 10 repetitions, 8 on each side. I'm going to do both legs, going for 15 repetitions. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Nice work. On to the next one. The last exercise in this routine is the bird dog, also known as the pointer dog. You're going to get onto all fours. And for this, you're going to lift one hand and the opposite leg, making that nice straight line with the body. You want to make sure not to lift the leg too high because then you'll arch your lower back, and we don't want that. You don't want to hurt your lower back. You want to keep the core nice and strong. So you can just go lifting one arm, one opposite leg, going right back down, doing all repetitions on one side before moving to the next. To make it a little more difficult, you can lift and then touch elbow to knee, going right back up. For this, you can do 8 to 12 repetitions on each side. We're just going to do 10, and I'm just going to do the easier version. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switching sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good work. As you can tell, I'm a big fan of the pointer dog. This guy is half pointer himself. We want to thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. You can head to my website, mitchfit.com, to see more of my programs and workouts. See you next time.